Alright, job of the day. Customer's trailer's been erect for more than 4 hours, so we need to fix it and get it down. Let's get after it. Check battery first. Why is that going to negative? What is going on? Okay, why is that? That charge line should be on the positive. Where is the ground? What am I missing here? Right, battery's got 13.2 volts. Battery's good. This is going to positive. And this charge line needs to go to positive as well. That's wired correctly. And that goes to ground. That's really confusing. They have two red wires. Looks like it's grounding out on the body itself. Should go to the trailer, but let's see what happens with this. That was it. Fixed. Issue was just wiring. This cable was on positive. Both these were on positive. This is going to the ground on the motor. Charge line was on negative for some reason, so I changed that. His solar is back on and working. He is going up. He is going down. Simple. This baby's fixed. I'm gonna go up and then bring it on down. Good, good. Perfect. Wiring's done. He told me about a hinge here. So, I got it spaced out where I need it to be. I'm just gonna clean up the edges and then weld it back on. There we go, everything's welded out. Opens up nice. I'm gonna paint it black. Make sure door opens good. Door opens smooth. Our customer wanted me to add a new jack because when he's dropping his tailgate, it keeps hitting this jack. So I'm gonna move a new 5K jack out to out here and weld it on. Help if I stand at the other side. He's all mounted up, ready to weld. Got it squared off the frame. Everything's good there. And it's square off that channel. Let's tack it on. All welded, looks clean. How you doing? Oh, yes, ma'am.
No choice, right?
No choice. Every day you gotta do it. Take a 9/16 to that, take that jack off. Jack is on. I'm gonna remount his solar charger. Just throw some screws through. Cool, this job's done. Fixed his up and down on the motor, fixed the back hinge, and put a new jack on there. Absolute bonus, his mom made me this. I will take tips in food.